as you can see, we are on Google Chrome's Incognito mode or private mode. If you scroll down, you'll see that some of your activities are still visible to your employer or your ISP. These website data are stored in your DNS cache. But don't worry, cause in this quick guide, I'll show you how to completely delete your Incognito mode history on your Google Chrome browser. Though we are using the Samsung S24 Ultra for this video, this will work on any other Android phone's Google Chrome app. First, let's close out this Incognito tab. And to clear your Chrome browser's Incognito history, you simply need to open a new tab, then on the URL or search bar, type in chrome:/net-internals. Then hit enter and it will take you to this page. From here you need to tap on DNS. Then, under the host resolver cache, you need to tap on clear host cache. And as soon as you do that, even though you won't get any visual feedback, your DNS cache will be deleted, which means now your internet activities will become truly untraceable. So now you know how you can completely erase your Incognito mode history on your Chrome browser. If this helped, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you later.